Introducing Control 4 Smart Home OS 3. The new Control 4 Smart Home OS 3 gives you a beautifully redesigned smart home interface that's faster, fluid, and more intuitive. With over 1,000 enhancements, OS 3 provides one-touch access and control over your entire home, empowering you to make your smart home uniquely your own. To give you faster access to your favorite devices, scenes, playlists, and music services, virtually everything in OS 3 can become a favorite to any room. A simple press and hold elevates all your favorites so you can access them with a single tap. You can even favorite devices from other rooms, creating a dashboard that gives you an at-a-glance view of what matters most. Now when you access the master bedroom, you can check if the security system is armed, doors are locked, and the garage is closed with 0 additional taps. You can even select your favorite rooms, and then easily swipe between them. Whether you have one connected device or 1,000, OS 3 gives you fast and easy control over your entire home. OS 3 makes your music and videos more enjoyable and easy for the whole family. The all-new Active Media bar shows you the music or video that's playing right at the top of the room. Sessions creates a dashboard for the music and video playing anywhere in the home. It's easy to adjust the volume, turn a room off, or stream music into even more rooms. When you're enjoying your music, you can now see more information about the quality of the audio and tap in to see the details. And in OS 3, you can stream high-resolution audio with MQA through services like Tidal Masters, in addition to your own high-quality MQA library. OS 3 has been thoughtfully redesigned to make using your smart home easier and more intuitive. Bigger buttons and larger text make it easier to see and access exactly what you're looking for. New filters make it easy to see just the lights that are on, the blinds that are open, and the doors that are left unlocked. OS 3 gives you the ability to change the wallpaper for each room directly on your mobile device or touchscreen. There's an included library of designer-approved images, or you can use your own photos. Whatever you choose will automatically appear on touchscreens, mobile, and even the TV. Whether a mobile phone, touchscreen, or remote control, OS 3 has been optimized for the way you interact with your Control 4 smart home. On iOS and Android devices, OS 3 has been refined for smaller screens and fluid gestures, making it easy to swipe between rooms or browse quickly through long lists. Touchscreens have bigger icons and larger touchpoints. Of course, the new on-screen experience is focused on entertainment and is easy to use with a remote control. Your favorites will immediately appear on screen, and you can see and start a favorite channel, a streaming service, or a relaxing playlist. Lights, scenes, albums, door locks, and other favorites are there too, displaying the state of each device. Control 4 Smart Home OS 3 is filled with innovations that will take your smart home experience to the next level. Contact your Control 4 Smart Home professional and upgrade to Smart Home OS 3 today.